Everyone, hope everybody's doing well. I'm Chef Craig, that's Devin. Today we're going to be making a bolognese sauce. It's a tomato sauce with meat. Pasta we're going to make, it's called fusilli pasta. We're going to make a nice fresh garden salad. I'm going to show you guys how to clean the lettuce and clean all the vegetables really good. And then we're going to make a garlic bread at the end. Okay. Ingredients. I gave you in your pack. I gave you double recipe. You're going to have to follow this recipe twice. I'm making a single for us here. You're going to do it twice. I have one, so you're going to use two of these. You need carrots clean, celery, onion, garlic. You see the garlic in there. I'm going to show you how to cut everything. Again, I'm going to show you how to hold the knife. What you're going to do is you're going to take the olive oil that I gave you from last week. We're going to get a nice heavy pot. I'm going to turn the gas on. About medium, not too high for now. We're going to get another pot with water for our pasta. I'm going to let that boil away. Make sure you put a nice heavy pinch of salt into the water, like here. While this is getting hot, we're going to add a little olive oil to the pan or pot. Make sure the pot is a little thicker. You can use a saute pan as well, it works fine. And then cut that off. I'm going to put my work gloves on. Make sure we wash our hands. Soap in water. I'm just waiting for that pan to get nice and hot. We want it to get nice and hot, but we don't want it to burn. While I'm waiting, take one of your carrots. You're going to use 2 carrots for your recipe. I'm going to use 1 because you're double. Cut the ends off. Now, when we cut a carrot, cut it in half, and it rolls. So you need to be careful. So we need to start it, cut the carrot in half, lay them flat. You lay them flat so they don't roll. Okay, a bridge. Okay, all laid flat. What we want in this sauce is small pieces of carrots, not big chunks. So we're going to make little thin strips. Remember, fingers up behind the knife. Nice small thin strips like this. I'm going to cut them in half again. And then we're going to stack them. We're going to cut them nice and small. This is the flavor of the sauce. It gives it a nice sweetness. This is what we're looking for. Nice, small, thin. Now, my oil is hot. So we're going to dump this into the pan. Okay? We're going to let it sit for a minute. We want to get a nice brown color on the bottom. This is what flavors the sauce. So again, with the carrot, I'm going to cut it in little strips. Okay? Now we're going to cut these in half again. Okay, and then we just stack. Remember the knife, 2 fingers, hold it around. Fingers up behind the knife. And we're going to rock. Nice small piece. Okay? One more time. Small pieces. Nice little tiny cuts. So that'll be our carrots. Celery. Make sure you wash the celery. You're going to cut some of the white off in the end. Now again, we're going to cut them into smaller pieces because they're easier to handle. These we're going to cut in half, and we're the same thing. We're going to cut them into small strips. And then we're going to stack it I'm going to cut again. Fingers behind the knife, fingers rolled under.